Eliminating hanging belly fat and working the abs are the goals of the exercises I'll be showing you in this video. This workout program is fast to produce result and have proven effect. Just as almost all our exercise videos, few exercises will be integrated for the purpose of getting our aim. Let's start with this core workout known as lying legs triangle drop. The exercise appears simple, but have serious impact on the core muscles, especially on the front abs. To execute this workout, lie on your back with your arms close to your body while your palms are touching the floor. Now raise your legs up and bring them down to almost touch the floor. Open your legs wide as you raise them again and close them as they're up, making your toes touch together. Bring your legs down to start point. Repeat this continuously, and don't forget your legs and head are to be suspended when doing this exercise. The bicycle crunch, as this exercise is called, is a good exercise for the front abdominal and even the side abs, aka the oblique. When engaging this exercise, take a lying position with your back on the floor. Then raise your upper body and legs and wrap your palms around the back of your head. Like you're riding a bicycle, extend your left leg forward while twisting your body to the left and dragging your right leg back towards your butt. Switch the same process with the right and left leg and body. Repeat the process back and forth. The leg lift plank is the third exercise of this workout. Though this exercise may seem complicated and almost impossible for a beginner, but at the end, it's worth it because of the serious impact it has on the entire core muscles, the front, the back, and the side abs. Lower down your body to take a plank position by lying on your toes and forearms. With your fists tighten, raise your left leg above your body, then drag it back towards your chest, twice. Do the same with your right leg. Repeat the process. This is the fourth exercise, the alternate bent leg 45-degree extension. Another simple but powerful workout for the six-pack muscles, which is also known as rectus abdominis. Lie on your back with your head raised up a little and your palms touching flat the floor. While your legs are suspended in the air, kick your left leg forward and bring it back. Then kick your right leg forward and bring it back. Continue the process. Here comes one of my favorite plank exercise because unlike most other planks which are mainly for the core and for strength, the steps plank serve both for core, for strength and as stretch. Take a plank position by lying on your forearms, toes and palms. Slowly drag your body downwards and then back to the starting position. Repeat the process.